What's up, traders? So we are going to be analyzing the TotalEnergies stock market. I saw this stock market and I believe that there's probability that the market will be going up in the next month. So if you know me, I don't waste this type of opportunity in the stock market. I always try to make money every month because I'm a short-term trader. If your plan is to make money in the short term rather than waiting for a year or two, then this video is not for you. Because right now I'm going to be analyzing the market direction for the next month or two. You know why? So that I can make money faster and withdraw faster. So that is what I do here, and I will be using technical analysis. So you can see from the market, this is the 5 minutes time frame. So we switch to the higher time frame, the daily, because we want the trade to last for about a month. So we use the monthly time frame first. So this is the monthly time frame. You can see there is nothing at the back. Looking at this particular area, you can see it is empty. So that will make it difficult to analyze, but it doesn't matter. So as we can see here now, we can see that after a lot of ranging market from the past, this is the range. So the price moved up, down, up, down, up, down, broke out, come here again, and from here there is high probability that the market will be shooting up. So as a stock trader, what will you do at this point? You expect the price to be breaking these highs here. This price, I am predicting that this price will break these highs. So if the price break these highs, we make money from it. Now, how much are we going to make? Let's see. So in the next month, from now till September 30, I am predicting that the price will break this structure and we are going to take 10% profit from it. Now, then your risk is going to be, make your risk 2%. You see this part. So it shouldn't be breaking this part. Let me show you in a bigger view so that in case you don't get it. We buy this market from here, then we take 10% from it, or 50%. It depends on what you want. For a month, it depends on the momentum. You can decide to leave it so that it will get to 20. Then after this, you take your profit and then you leave the market. But for me, I will be taking 10% of this. Then for my risk, I will do 2% of the risk. Then this 2% will be enough for the risk so that you don't lose too much in case the market goes against you. Remember, trading is a probability game. You can never win all the time, but from what we are seeing here now, this market has a higher potential of going up in the future. And if by September 30 we still see a strong momentum to the upside, we are going to leave it, let the trade play out till October before we take our profit. Maybe by that time we might make a 30% or 40% profit out of the market. So this is for me, this is a good market. If you check the fundamental analysis, check the headlines, the news, and the earnings, you might not know where the market is going because fundamental analysis never tells you when. It only tells you that the company is doing well, but when will the price start going up? No one knows. Not even fundamental analysis will tell you. So that is why I prefer short-term trading, because I know what I'm doing in the market. So if you like this video or you want to know more about this, hit this like and subscribe button so that you won't miss the next video. You can check my previous video on TSMC. The market is already going up and I'm profiting from it.